16. Surah Al-Nahl, the bee. 70th Surah according to the order of revelation. This is one of the late Makki Surah revealed sometime before the Hijrah. This and previous 6 surahs were revealed one after another. The time period and themes are similar. This surah has 128 verses in 16 sections. The surah speaks about Allah's creative power. Everything in the universe points to Allah. There is coherence and balance in Allah's creation. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The whole creation points to Allah. Number 2. The truth is that there is only one God. Number 3. The reward of the righteous and the disgrace of the wicked. Number 4. Allah's message has come. Man is a creature of Allah, but he argues a lot. Number 5. Mushrikeen's argument and the answer. Number 6. Prophets were human beings. The mission of the last prophet, warning to the non-believers. Number 7. Prohibition against shirk. Arabs used to call angels the daughter of Allah, but they themselves did not like to have daughters. Number 8. Allah gives time to people to repent and turn to Him. Number 9. Consider the bounties of Allah. Some more signs mentioned. Number 10. The comparison between the faithful and the unfaithful. Number 11. Warnings about the last hour, Allah's favor to humankind. Number 12. Prophet Muhammad is a witness over all witnesses. Number 13. Justice, benevolence, care of the kith and kin are Allah's commands. He forbids shameful deeds, evil and aggression. Number 14. Quran is sent by Allah, even the Prophet cannot make any changes in it. Number 15. Every soul will be paid in full what it has earned. Halal and haram are the authority of Allah. 16. The ideal faith of Prophet Ibrahim, the best way of giving dawah.